Good morning, everyone, and welcome to At the Grill at Go Native Farms. I am Eric, a registered dietitian, and I'm going to show you guys a healthy meal option today. So one of the things that I believe is that when we eat more like our ancestors used to eat, that we're going to be a lot healthier. So check out this meal that is a lot more like our ancestors used to eat. All right, does that look good or what? That's pretty good. Don't want to get in the shade there. Good stuff. All right, so what do we have going on here? So today we have a nice leg of lamb. It's a front leg of lamb. And then we have some Native American corn and some Native American squash from the Navajo Nation. The squash is from Navajo Nation, and these corn are Santo Domingo. So they're all really healthy, all native foods that help keep people healthy. And when it comes to cooking, you do want to get a couple basic cooking skills, but you don't want to get all neurotic about it. You don't want to have to jump online and think that you got to do everything perfect. So what I did with this leg of lamb is I just painted it with some barbecue sauce to keep it moist, and then I cooked it for about a half hour on each side. And it has turned out really good. It is looking great, and I cut a piece off and it was very tender, and we'll take a look at that in a little bit. And then let's look at this squash here. I think we'll put it over here so we can see it better. With this one, we just decided, hey, we're going to throw this one on the grill and give it a try that way. So we painted it with a little bit more of that barbecue sauce, got that going on there, and then we just threw it over and grilled it, and it's nice and soft now. With the one at the top, we just decided we're going to take that one and put it in a skillet, and then we put some spices on there, and that one's nice and soft. It's ready to eat right now, and it looks great, and I'm sure it tastes great. At the bottom of the pan, we added a little bit of the fat that came off of the leg of lamb. And then with this corn, we just throw it right on the grill, let that cook. It's a beautiful anthocyanin-rich red corn, and it is looking good and ready to go. So the only thing you probably want to do here is throw in a little salad. You can maybe do some shish kebabs with some bell pepper and mushrooms and whatever you like on there, zucchini, and just to add a little more vegetables to your meal. So this is a very healthy meal, and you want to remember to try to eat organic. You eat what your animals ate. So this animal right here was grass-fed organic, and all of the benefits that the animal took in from eating the grass is what we are going to obtain when we eat a grass-fed animal, and they taste a lot better. So that's kind of it for today. Other than, of course, we got to check it out. Let's look what that looks like. That's some good looking food right there. I'm gonna take a little bite and tell you, oh yeah, that is really good. Wish you were here to help me devour this. But if you'd like, stop by sometime and we'll throw some elk steaks on the grill, or maybe some more lamb, and then we'll go ahead and have lunch out here on the back porch and enjoy the view. So that's kind of my tip for today. And remember, eat less processed food, eat less junk food, and try to eat home-cooked meals instead of the food that is fast food, which is not very healthy for us. That is almost guaranteed to make you healthier and to live a long life. Thanks again for tuning in, and have a great rest of the day.